We don't do the fugazi here. There's 100% mango, real mangoes in there. We don't do no cuts. Yeah. You saying y'all Chef Chino, you know what I'm saying? At a Happy de Pollo, you know what I'm saying? M.R in the building, you feel me? But check this out, you know what I'm saying?
Yes, people, so Wagwan, big up yourself. Welcome to 24 Hour Kitchen. I'm here in Canada, Toronto, people, yeah. I'm here at El Jeff's, the Polo, people, yeah. A good vibes. M.R. Wagwan.
We're outside. You know anything I'm about. Big up the chef, you know what I'm saying? That is it, man.
Welcome to 24 Hour Kitchen, yeah. We're in Canada. We didn't get to cook no food, but guess what? I get to bring you to a food place, people, yeah. So I just want to show you where I'm going. We're gonna do some orders and whatnot. So big up yourself. Let me go back inside. Alright, yes, bro. So I just want to ask you a few little questions, innit?
For sure.
Yeah. What got you into this whole game?
I'm gonna be very transparent with you. I stopped trapping. You see over there, I got a Tony Montana picture.
Right.
I was serving a different kind of chicken back in the day, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
I'm not gonna lie to you, yo, guys like Rick Ross are big motivation. If y'all didn't know, Rick Ross owns Wingstop. We got like 1,000 locations now, man. That's like my motivation. You know, one day I'd be like Big Boy Rose, you know what I mean? But you gotta start somewhere, you know what I mean? So we started here in the Finch West. But now we have another location as well. We got one, we just opened a new one 2 months ago in Brooklyn. Like your homegirl that lives around there is a bougie area, you get what I'm saying? So we coming up, you get what I mean? Watch out for us, KFC and all them, you know what I'm saying? So we coming, you know?
So what's your, Ember, we're there. What's your speciality in what you're providing today?
So we got all kinds of interesting stuff. So it's a little bit of me, man. Toronto's a very diverse city, you know what I mean? We got all kinds of backgrounds here. So this is kind of like a Toronto menu.
Right,
You see what I'm saying? We got our chicken sandwiches. We got our tacos, because, you know, this Chino habla español, you know what I'm saying? So I lived down in Panama before, you know what I'm saying, and worked down south. Then you got some American style stuff, the stuff that you can't get up here, like chicken and waffles, macaroni, all that kind of U.S., LA style kind of stuff, because I'm always looking at my TikTok and I see that shit all over. But we don't got it here in Canada, so I had to be the guy to whip it up for y'all, you know what I'm saying?
Right.
Straight up, yo, you know what I mean?
Can you take me in the kitchen?
Yeah, for sure. Remember,
No.
This is the Honda Civic of the brand, but our Brooklyn location is bougie, you know what I'm saying? So
We're not even watching that, because more time, yeah. You know when you go to certain countries and you got that little shack?
Yeah, that little spot.
And you're like, wow, the food that come out of there, but only if they had like that little backative to go further. But it seems like you got your backative, and this is the foundation, people, yeah. We're at the foundation, yeah.
Round up, man. We proud, you know. We're working hard every day.
So we're just
shout out my man Mikey here, you know what I'm saying? Been with me from the jump, you feel me?
Mikey, big up yourself.
Kevin up back there too, you know what I'm saying? Yeah.
So what your opening hours like?
So we open every day for lunch for 11:30, and then we close at 10 p.m. for the winter hours. When it comes summertime or Ramadan, you know, I got love from my Muslim brothers and sisters too.
Yeah.
The restaurant's halal as well, you get what I mean? So we open a little bit later in those times, you know what I mean? 11, 12, you know?
Sick. So it's a 7-day-a-week business, yeah?
Yeah, for sure, man. We can't let the neighborhood down, you get what I mean?
Literally, so how long have you been here now?
We just had our 3rd anniversary, February 2nd, so this is a very proud moment for me and the team. You know, to come this far, man, the ones that stuck around, you know what I'm saying? It's kind of like the rap game in a way, because you're soldier them, this and that. Like sometimes they go sideways on you, go some next brand.
Know your whole
you know what I mean?
is the
But the
same.
ones that held tight, you know what I mean? I'm gonna bring them where they need to be. You know what I'm saying? Real shit.
You know your whole story is the same as Ringo.
Say word.
Word.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Oh shit, you on road too before, eh?
Yeah, we're doing
Oh
All this,
shit,
we're not
man.
bougie, bro. We only turned celebrity a couple months ago. So we still got our feet on the ground, bro. We still, you know?
Yeah.
You have to put your Instagram in there, bro.
Oh, yeah.
So what's the technique in what you're doing?
What I'm doing, make sure the chicken don't fold.
Make sure the chicken don't fold.
Yeah. See this? This guy keep on from
Okay.
Without this,
okay.
he's gonna start like more like this.
Yeah, right,
You
right,
don't want
right.
that. You don't want
So the aim of the game, everyone, yeah, is to make sure that the chicken doesn't fold. You understand? Nice flat chicken, everybody, yeah. Chicken burgers. Wow, good vibes. Look at the crunch and the crispiness. We soon see you are going later on, people, yeah. A good vibes. Yes, everybody, so a good vibe. So yeah, man, we're just outside the building right now. So as you can see, the environment here, we're just in a normal neighborhood in Canada, and this is where Donny's got his chicken shop. You understand what he's doing with his, you understand, burgers, and you understand, people. We're gonna go back inside in a second. A good vibes, big up yourself, 24-hour kitchen. Yeah, man, we're there, Canada, Toronto, straight from London, everyone here. So I'll go back inside right now.
This is for you guys. You gotta come in waves, just enjoy it as I make it, you know?
Okay.
Fresh and hot. Here's the gloves to eat with, the napkins. These
what-
are our
what-
chicken tacos. These are our signature, you know what I mean?
Okay.
Or y'all want y'all to enjoy that, you know what I'm saying? Her fish tacos are coming too. You know what I'm saying? Fresh to order, we proud of that, you know what I mean? Authentic ingredients, you know what I mean? What do you get the oxtail one?
So I see you guys just tucking in right there.
He wants to know.
What's he saying?
It's good.
So I just want you to describe the texture.
I am famous. What are you talking about?
Describe the texture for me.
I need you to try this one. This is what put me on the news, bro. It's this one.
Lift-
Look at that steam, bro.
Lift up that.
Look at that steam. Look at that steam. That it can't get fresher than that.
Yeah, I'm good, man.
They don't get fresher than that. You know what I'm saying? Nasty, right? Thank you so much. Top party, man. But now I have a white fish hat to settle down. Plus, man, be honest, first one. Yeah. No, that's back in the day. You know? As a Mr. Chin, it's funny to see. I'm telling you. You know what I mean? But you gotta be left for the party sometime.
What's this?
Oh, this is our signature, man. That's our boneless oxtail tacos, man. You know, you got the cheddar, you got the boneless oxtails. You don't gotta pick through none of that, but all the good stuff's in there. You get what I mean?
Oh,
Can't wait for you to enjoy that,
it
man.
looks good. It looks good.
Oh, for this one, you gotta put another sauce. I gotta put signature sauce. We don't do the fugazi here. There's 100% mango, real mangoes in there. We don't use no cut.
Touch me.
Yeah. How was that, boss?
So it's got almost even a little tinge of spice. Just a little tiny little tinge.
Just a little kick, just a little bit.
Just a little kick. But yeah, the mango is there. It's there, people. Yeah. So
It's gotta be the star to show the star ingredient, you know?
You could use this with probably anything,
Absolutely.
even fries. Yes, everyone. So yeah, man. It's not gonna lie, they got some really good flavors coming out of their kitchen right now. Tacos are amazing. Yeah, the crispiness to the taco, the flavors running through it. Good vibes, people. Look how it's been done. Yeah, man. Operation in the kitchen, you know. Yeah, man, so I just come into a sweetie store quickly. Just buy a few sweets, people. Yeah, man, I could buy some different type of sweets. Get them in the collection, you get me?
An exclusive lemonade.
So
And
you
that
saying
Tahitian treat. You know what I mean? Or Tahiti treat, whatever you want to call it. People call it two different
I've
things.
never seen this before.
Yo, that's a fizzy fruit punch, man. Imagine your favorite fruit punch with fizz in it. That's what this is right here. Let's make the meal slap different. You can have a regular ass drink, but you have one of these with your meal, yo, it slap different.
Bro. Thank you for having us today, man.
100%, man.
Bro, it's all love.
I'm saying?
All love.
Respect for coming down, you know what I mean?
Yeah, bro. It was really nice food, Ringo. I really enjoyed that. I think that's the best food I've had since I've been here. I'm not chatting shit. Bro,
That's love, man.
I wouldn't lie, bro. I was just
I know we
say it. Like,
That's love,
because
bro.
we're used to Caribbean food, so to impress us with Caribbean food, it's like you know, go above and beyond.
Yeah,
So this is
go a
really
little bit
nice.
different.
The crispiness of the burger, 10-10. It looks Popeyes, makes Popeyes look stupid.
Yeah.
The whole invention of the whole the festival burger and the jerk chicken whole burger in one, that's crazy. But the chicken tacos and the oxtail tacos, different level, bro.
Different, you know what I'm saying? That's how we do here, man, you know? Much respect, yo.
Much respect, man.